students. Today we will be discussing another topic of applied zoology, that is apiculture. Now, what is the meaning of apiculture? Apiculture means beekeeping. In Latin, apis means bee. Apiculture can be defined as the maintenance of honeybee colonies, commonly in hives, by human. एपीकल्चर यानी कि मधुमक्खी पालन. एपिस एक लैटिन वर्ड है जिसका मतलब होता है मधुमक्खी. जब हम मधुमक्खी का पालन शहद, वैक्स आदि चीज़ों के लिए हम करते हैं जो कि मानव के लिए उपयोगी होती है, तो इस प्रकार का जो पालना है ये एपीकल्चर कहलाती है, यानी मधुमक्खी पालन. A beekeeper is known as apiarist. He keeps bee in order to collect their honey and other products that hive produces, like bee wax, propolis, pollen, royal jelly, to pollinate crops or to produce bees for sale to other beekeepers. A location where bee colonies are kept is called apiary or bee yard. Honeybees are highly organized social insects, and their systematic position is as follows. They belong to kingdom Animalia, phylum Arthropoda, class Insecta, order Hymenoptera, family Apidae and genus Apis. जैसे कि हम जानते हैं मधुमक्खी एक सोशल इंसेक्ट है और इसकी सोसाइटी के बारे में हम हमारे पिछले क्लासेस में डिस्कस कर चुके हैं. हनी बी किंगडम एनिमेलिया का सदस्य है, फाइलम आर्थ्रोपोडा में आता है, क्लास इंसेक्टा, ऑर्डर हाइमेनोप्टेरा, फैमिली एपिडी और जीनस एपिस. इसकी कई सारी प्रजाति है जो कि शहद का निर्माण करती है. लगभग 22,000 other species are also present, but those insects are not involved in honey production. Main honey producing species are Apis dorsata. It is also known as the giant bee. Apis carana indica, which is an Indian species. Apis florea, also known as the dwarf bee or the little bee. Apis mellifera or the European bees. So these are the description. Apis dorsata, giant bee or the rock bee. It is of large size. This is the largest honeybee. It builds a single large open comb on high branches of trees and rocks, produces large quantity of honey, but this bee is not used for apiculture because it is a very wild and angry bee, hence it cannot be domesticated. Apis carana